Hi, I'm Ken Krell. Speakers, authors, coaches, thought leaders come to me to discover how they can take their current position and turn it into high-powered, high-profit, transformational digital events. I can do the same for you too. You're about to watch an excerpt of one of our online events that I think you may find very powerful. After that, I'll meet you and we'll talk about it. And I am here today with Nestelly Pelaez, who is amazing. She is part of a team that helps people transform their businesses and their lives through a transformational type of coaching that is still a mystery to me, how they do all this, but they create results with fans that come back from years and just that I'm baffled. Nestelly, welcome. And tell me, with this amazing ability that you guys have, what does that mean and how do you apply that? Because I'm being very generic here and I want to dial it and people know what the hell you actually do.
Thank you, Ken, and thank you everybody for having me in your show. Well, transformation, yes, what we do, we have magic. We just give and serve from our heart, from love, and that's what people get. But the main core is experiential learning, and I think that that's what makes a difference in our work. It's not these steps 1, 2, 3, what you're gonna do and how you're gonna transform, but it's just actual living the experience. So experiential learning, it's my passion, and it's what we do best at the transformational workshops.
So what does that mean though, in terms of inspirational learning? Give me an example of somebody that you've actually worked with that has benefited from what you do.
Yes, we have one lady. She came to our workshop 5 years ago. She was from Mexico, no English. She was living in a trailer. She was driving from Tampa to Orlando in a very bright car. We will have 3-day weekend workshops, and she paid like with making tamales to try to make it to the workshop. To make the story short, it so happened that after the workshop and all the work that we did with her and all the transformation and the experiential learning, she went from that to now being in a company where she recently bought a Mercedes-Benz, $80,000, pay it off, bought her house. She's traveling. She went like more advanced than us. She's going flying all over the United States and being in stages and speaking. So that's like amazing transformation and amazing results from her when she went to our project at the beginning and from where she's right now.
That's awesome. You know what's really kind of fun too is that as you were sharing that little bird that is that a hummingbird or whatever that's by the window came
Yay.
came into the frame, and it just seems so magic that what you created. That's really totally cool. So let me ask you, if you could give us one little tip or one big tip quickly that people could apply today and put into place in their lives, like right now, what would that be?
Well, this is action. So you're going to do it with me. When you get up in the morning, you're just going to breathe in, breathe out, sit up, stand in the edge of your bed, put your shoulders back right before. That's the first thing you're going to do, and you breathe in deeply into your abdomen and breathe in and breathe in. And you're going to close your eyes and you're going to put your hands here, right here, make a fist. And this is the first thing, and this is how you're going to tackle life. The first thing in the morning, and you're going to say, I love my life. I love my life. I love my life. 3 claps. Here I go.
All right. All right. I'm with you. I love it. I love my life. And I love having you
You
with
love
us.
your life. And that's the
Nelly,
first thing, and that's how you tackle your day.
Nestelly, you're awesome. We are running out of time, so I've got to call it right now. But I tell you what, will you come back? Because I want to hear more about loving our lives.
Of course. Because
Awesome.
we
Okay, cool.
love
What's the
week
best way
next week.
people, what's the best way? What was that?
We have the love week next week.
We do. We do. That's awesome. And you will. We'll see you for Love Week. So, but short of that, how else can people get in touch with you and have some of your amazing, transformative, super cool stuff?
Well, since this is experiential learning, I will have a personal breakthrough call. So we will have all the information so that you can have that call and have some breakthrough with some experiential learning right on the spot.
I love it. We'll put links to that in the show notes. And I will tell you guys, as you watch this, Nestelly just made a gigantic mistake. And so take advantage of it right now, because if you call her, she can't scale it. She can't do that many of these things. She doesn't realize that, but she cannot scale it. So it will be a limited time giveaway. And so if you see this link, a month, 2, 3 months, whatever, after we broadcast this, and she no longer has that available, it is because it's no longer available, because I will tell her and I will coach her to never make that offer again. It is far too generous, far too nice, and far not scalable. So grab it while you can right now, while she has made that offer, before she hears me tell her never again to do that amazingly delicious and delightful and generous offer. Nestelly, you are fabulous. You will never make that offer again, because you will recognize that when people take advantage of it because they fall in love with you, there will be no time for you in your life, because all you're doing is calls. I love you to pieces. We'll see you again on the next show. Ladies and gentlemen, Nestelly Pelaez. So that's one short taste of how you can use the power of digital events to help people transform their lives and find a new way to live. Want to learn how you can put it to use in your own business? Well, stick with me for the Digital Events Essentials Plan. It's called DEEP. It'll take you through how you can plan, produce, and profit from your own online events. It's pretty great, it's pretty free, and I think you'll like it pretty much. So come join me. Click the link either in the description below or somewhere on this video itself, and we'll take you over there. It's completely free. I think you're going to love it, and it will give you the plan you need to plan, produce, and profit from your own digital events.